Good morning, everybody. This is Bill. Welcome back to the channel. We wanted to get you a look at this new acquisition that we were fortunate enough to acquire. This is 5 units in downtown Orlando. This is really a great property. This is a value add property, so we're going to have to be doing a lot of work. 4 of the 5 units here are needing complete updates inside. They're all currently rented, some good folks, long-term tenants, but all of them, 4 of the 5, the duplexes here in the front, all require some updating inside, actually total renovations inside. Now the rear bungalow here, these are all 1-1s. The rear bungalow is really updated, really nice, and it's just going to be a super property. This area of Orlando, we're just so excited about the future here. This is just an up and coming area here, right on the edge of Baldwin Park. There's the bungalow over there, 1-1, really cool. But this is just a awesome property. There's 600 square foot 1-1s here, just really cool. They all have window units, so we're going to be looking into changing that. But we're just really excited by this property. Now it took some work to get this purchased. We had some roadblocks to overcome, but overcoming roadblocks, that's part of the game. We kind of enjoy that. We like an opportunity to be creative in structuring these deals to get these things done, and we're just really excited about this one. So we're going to keep you posted in future videos as we get this place whipped into the condition that we really want it to be in. And it's just going to be an exciting trip, but getting it purchased is one thing. Getting these updates done, that's quite another. So it's time to get busy. So you guys have a great day. We'll keep you posted. Take care.